Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by grabbing two numbers, nominal GDP and real GDP for the same period, same currency. Once you have them, make sure real GDP uses a single base year with index 100. This anchors comparisons. Then compute the GDP deflator as nominal divided by real, multiplied by 100. That yields an index where the base year equals 100. This step gives you a quick measure of price level changes. Make sure units match, because inconsistent units distort the deflator immediately. Now, chain and adjust series when you compare many periods. Rebase or chain link so base year shifts do not mislead. Once done, convert deflator changes into an inflation rate by taking the ratio of consecutive deflators minus 1, then express as a percent. That gives period-to-period inflation. Also, use the deflator to deflate nominal values back to real terms. Multiply nominal by 100 divided by the deflator. These steps let you compare volumes versus price effects correctly over time. Finish by presenting the GDP deflator index together with nominal and real GDP. This makes interpretation straightforward. When the deflator rises, it signals broad price increases. When it falls, suspect deflationary forces. Explain why to your audience. If numbers look off, troubleshoot methodically. Verify the base year, confirm currency and unit consistency, and recheck chain linking or rebasing steps. If a single period is anomalous, inspect data sources and one-off events before revising your series.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.